Yo, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, I just wanted to talk about what I've been going through, what I realized recently. So, what I realized recently is I've been making excuses and you don't realize you're making excuses because, well, I wasn't realizing I was making excuses until it was brought to my attention by somebody who's doing a lot more than me, who's actually just honest about what's going on. And so it hit me. I was like, what the heck? Like, I'm just making excuses and not doing what I'm meant to be doing. So, you know, I could sit here and be like, yeah, it might be nothing is a valid excuse unless it's like something that holds you back from like your values or whatever. So basically, I've been making excuses this whole time, and I just want you to realize that if there's anything holding you back, like, and it's anything that's that you can control, you're making excuses. Even if it seems outside of your control, even if it is some sort of disability you have, or some sort of like something you're going through that's outside of your control, don't let it hold you back from pursuing what God's called you to do, and pursue your dream, because it's really easy to do that. I got caught up in it for a while, and I was just like, and I subconsciously just was like, okay, I'd be like, okay, I need to do something, and then somebody else would be like, oh, it's okay, like, and then put me in another excuse, and it's really, and it really opened my eyes when this guy was like, no, you're just making excuses. So, really encourage you guys to get out of that excuse mentality. Most people aren't living the life of their what they want to be doing, living the way, making, stepping outside of their comfort zone and being an entrepreneur, or whatever God's calling you to do, or whatever you feel God's calling you to be. Most people aren't doing that. So why is that? I think a lot of it is making excuses. So just encourage you to think about that and stop making excuses and just start. Whether it's small, just start. Even if it's just one video, one blog post, one, facial, whatever business you're trying to get into, just start. And that's what I realized. And so thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great day.